Good morning, T-Birds. I'm Joshia.
And I'm Tao. Today is November 18th, 2021, and you're watching Tahoma TV.
Picture Day will take place Monday, November 22nd for those who haven't had their pictures taken yet and those who need retakes. Please remember to get your ASB before you have your photo taken. Go to myschoolbucks.com and create an account, or go to see Miss Riddle in the main office. Do you think bowling is a sport?
Honestly, I think it is a sport because there's like so much effort and stuff that goes into it.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, I think the same thing. Well, our reporter Kedrick went around and asked you guys, if you guys think bowling is a sport?
No, I'm Kedrick with Tahoma TV, and I'm the #1 bowler in the state for my age. And I'm going to go ask people if they think bowling is a sport, because people tell me it's not. Is bowling a sport?
Yes.
Why?
I don't know, but it's a sport, though.
Yeah, I respect you. I respect you.
No, it's not a sport.
Why?
Yo, you got random old men just throwing.
No,
Why?
because you throw balls.
Yes.
Why?
I don't know.
Yes,
Why?
because it's competitive. You can have bowling teams. If golf is a sport, bowling is definitely a sport.
Yeah, I respect you.
Yeah, in a way.
Why?
You're like, nah, it's not.
Yep.
Why?
It involves balls. You feel me?
What about you? You think bowling is a sport?
Yeah,
Why?
because it involves practice.
It's not a sport because it's usually an event that's used for fun, games. So.
But isn't a lot of sports like that?
I guess, yeah, but. All right, yeah, it's a sport.
Yeah, I got him.
Yes.
Why?
Because it's a physical activity. It's done as a team. There's a winner and a loser. Points.
Thank you. All right, so in my conclusion, I think that a lot of people think it's a sport. I tricked a couple people thinking it is a sport. In my opinion, it is a sport because it does take a lot of hard work. And the people in my 5th period who think it's not a sport, proved you wrong.
Thanks, Kedrick. Talking about bowling, we are 2 weeks into girls bowling. Our reporters Keely went to go check in with Mr. Goebel. Let's go check it out.
I'm Keely, and I'm here with
Mr. Goebel.
Okay, and the question is, how is the bowling season going so far?
So far, it's going pretty good. We had our first match on Tuesday, and we lost a close one to Stadium. We lost by 39 pins, but it was really competitive. We have another match today against Lincoln, and we have 7 girls, 6 girls that are coming out for the first time. So we're kind of a beginning group. This year we have actually, I think, 4 freshmen, and if they stick with it, it'll help us for the future.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
Yeah.
Thank you. That was a sports report. Now back to the desk.
Daffodil Princess Night is tonight at 7 p.m. in the auditorium. Please attend to go cheer on our contestants. Every Thursday is Ask an Anchor. Let's see what question you guys have for us today.
All right. Oh, shoot. Okay. So today's question is, what is your favorite side dish? Honestly, I think mine would have to be like grilled vegetables and stuff. Like, you know, the asparagus and onions.
Ooh, yes.
So what's yours?
Mashed potatoes and gravy.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one too.
Yeah.
Well, remember to send in any questions you have for our anchors in Ask an Anchor that is located in the cafeteria.
Well, let's end today's broadcast with a photo of the week. Today's photo is by Daniel S. and features a stark but beautiful image of the last fall leaves. Follow Tahoma Photos to see more student photos. Well, that does it for today's news. Thanks for tuning in. Again, I'm Joshia.
And I'm Tao. Subscribe to us on YouTube to never miss a story.
Once a T-Bird, always a T-Bird. Have a great day.